We're coming to the complicated part now, because if I leave this playing, it'll just keep on going higher and higher and higher, and at no point will anybody be the winner. So what I want to do is I want to make the game ask the question, has anybody won the game yet? And by win the game, we mean, has anybody got up to 10 yet? So I'm going to go back to the ball. I'm going to go back to the red bat, beg your pardon, red goal block, get the right bit. I'm going to say, well, I only want to put the ball back in the middle if the score is less than 10. So what I really wanted to do is I want to ask, sorry, in this case the lives, I want to ask what the lives are. So we'll go back to the score and then go back to the lives here. This one in the middle allows me to ask a question. And what I want to say is, well, is the score smaller than 10? If it's smaller than 10, I want the game to continue. And the way I do that is by hitting on the control and putting that inside a little couple of brackets. So if the answer to this question is yes, do whatever is inside these brackets. So if the number of lives is smaller than 10, then I want to make that continue playing by putting the ball back in the middle. If the score is 10, then that's an else. So in other words, if the answer is no. Well, if the answer is no, what I want to do is I want to say, in that case, that red is the winner. And what I can do on the screen is I can do a message. And I can say, red wins, and put in a few exclamation marks. And if that's the end of the game, then that would be game over. Go back to control, put that into there. So what I'm saying is I'm asking a question, and the answer to the question is yes or no. Are the number of lives, in other words, is the red score less than 10? Yes, keep on playing and put the ball back in the middle. No, which means that it is 10, put the message up that red wins, and then end the game. Now obviously I want to do exactly the same as that on the blue goal, except of course what I want to do here is I want to make sure that instead of lives are smaller than 10, I want it to be, is the score smaller than 10? So if the score is smaller than 10, if the answer to that question is yes, put the ball back into the game. If the answer to that question is no, then what I want to do is put a message on the screen, and the message this time is blue wins. I then want to end the game and put that onto there. So now what I'm saying is, if the score is less than 10, just put the ball back in the middle and keep playing. When the score gets to 10, then say that blue has won.